Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on fixing your device. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure your repair goes smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. For a successful repair, you will require a precision screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, a soft brush for dust removal, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning the internal components. Having these tools ready will make the process much easier. Once you have your tools, let's begin by turning off the device and disconnecting it from any power sources. This is crucial for your safety. Next, use your precision screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel of the device. Make sure to keep track of which screws go where. It's a good idea to use a magnetic mat or a small container to organize them. As you remove the back panel, gently lift it off to avoid damaging any clips. Now, take a moment to clean the interior. Dust and debris can affect the device's performance. Use the soft brush and isopropyl alcohol to carefully clean around the components. This is a good time to check for any visible signs of wear or damage. If you notice any parts that need replacement, remember that you have options. If you feel uncertain about proceeding with the repair, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Now, let's examine the internal components. Check the battery and connectors for any signs of corrosion or damage. If everything looks good, you can proceed with reassembling the device. Make sure to reconnect all cables securely. Before you close everything up, it's wise to test the device. Reconnect it to the power source and check if it powers on. If you encounter any issues, do not hesitate to reach out for additional support. Remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get professional help without any hassle. No calls, no travel required. Once you've confirmed that the device is functioning correctly, carefully place the back panel back on. Ensure that all clips are aligned and that you replace the screws in their original positions. Tighten them gently, over-tightening can lead to damage. Lastly, give the exterior a quick clean to ensure it looks as good as new. If you follow these steps, your device should be up and running. As a final reminder, if you need a quote before repair, we can provide that as well to help you budget for future fixes. Thank you for following along with our tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your device repair process. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.